In this video series, we walk you through the dashboards of our Demo BI application. This demo covers a wide range of dashboards on billings, revenues, sales, marketing, and many more based on a simulated company, which is selling subscriptions. Today, our focus is on the sales funnel dashboard. Have you ever wondered how to turn a bunch of leads into paying customers efficiently? If you're looking to gain insights into your sales process, track leads, and make data-driven decisions, you're in the right place. This dashboard integrates data from various sources, including lead gen tools, CRM systems, and ERP software. By merging data from these different sources, we amplify your value, offering you a comprehensive snapshot of your entire sales landscape. It offers valuable information across 3 tabs: Current Funnel, Cohorts, and Forecast. Let's start with the Current Funnel tab, where you can gain real-time insights into the leads and opportunities that are currently being worked on. The Funnel Overview section provides a visual representation of your sales funnel. It shows the number of leads at each stage of the process, excluding won and lost. In the Funnel Per Team table, you can see how many leads each team has at different stages of the sales or conversion process. It's an excellent way to monitor team performance. Complementing the table, the bar chart, and 2 pie charts visually display the lead distribution across teams and stages, helping you get a clearer picture of your sales funnel dynamics. Here, our 3 filters, team, region, and country code, empower you to fine-tune your sales pipeline analysis. Keep in mind that the available countries are dependent on your selected region. These filters enables you to use this report to conduct, for example, the weekly sales meetings with your team. Now let's dive into the Cohorts tab, where you can track how leads progressed through your sales funnel over time. For example, you can clearly see how many leads are won and lost over time. Imagine Cohorts as a monthly snapshot of your leads, offering a dynamic lens to track and optimize your customer journeys. Using Cohorts, you can easily identify trends and bottlenecks, helping you optimize your sales process. For example, find leads that were created time ago but are still in the early stages. In the Leads Cohorts, bar chart, and table, you can see the number of leads in each stage of the sales funnel for each cohort month. Imagine you're a sales manager planning strategies for the go-to-market second half of the year. For German sellers within your European team, using the Sales Funnel dashboard. Choose time frame. Select data from January to June of the current year. This 6-month period provides a comprehensive view of your team's performance. Select team. Opt for the Sales Europe team. By focusing on this specific team, you can assess their sales funnel progression exclusively. Further refine your analysis by selecting DE for Germany. This tailored filter zooms in on the German market within the European region. Finally, we move to the Forecast tab, which makes use of information about the estimated close date, estimated billings, revenue, ARR, and closing probability of each lead to calculate a forecast. This is data your sales agency typically enters into the CRM. How far into the future this forecast reaches depends on the sales cycle of your products. With the Funnel Forecast bar chart, you can visualize all your opportunities estimated to close in the future. You can choose from an array of KPIs, including lead count, weighted ARR, and ARR, enabling you to focus on the metrics most relevant to your objectives. Imagine you want to check your chances of reaching the sales budget for Europe this year. You can access the Forecast tab for detailed insights. Set the time range. Pick the period from tomorrow to 31 December. Choose weighted ARR in the KPI selector, filter by region. Focus on Europe by selecting it in the regions filter. You can even go for detailed forecasted sales by setting time grain to day. This view lets you make well-informed decisions and take action to meet your sales targets effectively. And that's a wrap. A comprehensive look at the Sales Funnel Dashboard by Qmantic. Whether you're tracking leads in real time, analyzing historical data with Cohorts, or forecasting your sales future, this dashboard has got you covered. Qmantic, your partner for data-driven success. If you're interested in exploring this and the other dashboards featured in this demo on your own, it's simple. Just visit freedemo.qmantic.com, where you can easily sign up for a free demo account. And if you find that a similar dashboard could benefit your own company, don't hesitate to get in touch with us at contactqmantic.com.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand business tips.